Nice little job this morning. Some of the garlic that grew last year didn't grow fantastically well. It's a bit on the small side. So this was harvested whereabouts August, I think, last year. And some of it's starting to sprout now. It's been in the kitchen, which is usually quite cold, but it's starting to go green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pot a few up and we'll grow them on the windowsill or in the greenhouse or wherever you want to put them, and grow them on just for the greens. Chop the greens off, add them to salads, mashed potato, anything like that. Just adds that lovely little flavour when you need it. So I'll just show you what I do. It's quite simple really. If you look at these, you can see where they've started to grow. They've started to green out. I've got some bulbs here as well that are starting to green out as well. I probably won't need to use them. I'll probably do those a couple of weeks time, so I've got some for later on in the year. But it's quite simple. I usually have a pot. I think this is a 1.5 litre pot, and I fill it very nearly right to the top. This is a real rough mixture of compost, some that I knocked up the other day for doing some onions and stuff. It'll be fine for this job. And what I like about doing them in nice clean pots is it will go on the windowsill and won't look too out of place. But then again, who worries? We're growing food. Think about what it looks like. So there we go. That'll do. That's quite good enough for what we want to do. And then literally these cloves that I broke off earlier on, we take these, take the nice ones that are growing well, and put them in about halfway down, cover them in a little bit, just enough to keep the light off the clove itself. There's a strange one there, he's still got the skin on it. He'll grow through, he'll push on, so we won't worry about that one. Put it in the middle, he's a nice one. Nice strong one there, see? So we're going to get 5 in this one. That'll be plenty enough in here. Let's find another strong one to go in there. Here we go, there's a nice strong one. So we'll put that in as well. And all we need to do now is put them back in the warm, like I say, up on the windowsill in the kitchen. Or I might leave these here in the greenhouse actually, because the weather's starting to warm up and they won't hurt if it does get a bit cold at night. It'll do them good. It'll make them push on when the weather does warm up. But that's it. Quite simple. Grow them on. And like I say, you've got nice greens there to use in salads, mashed potatoes, all sorts of things. Keep gardening.